So I got it back together. You can see, zoom in here, you can see the transmission module dangling there. It's cleared the battery box, so I was a little concerned about that, but it looks like it's going to be fine. It's time to do a test drive, and let's see what happens. The engine started, that's a good sign. No engine light, no AT light. It went into gear. Nothing's happened yet, but it doesn't usually happen until I've driven for a mile or two. So let's see how it goes. So reverse is fine, seems to be working normal. Forward, going forward. No engine light, no AT light yet. Seems to be shifting. We're in second gear right now. Second gear. Third gear seems to be shifting pretty good. About a 1/10 of a mile already. We're in third gear right now. Couldn't tell if that was squarely shifting or not. It seems okay. I'm going to drive through the neighborhood going through the lower gears at first, and then I'll get on a main thoroughfare and see if we can get up to higher gears. Okay, I think we made it to fourth. Yeah, made it to fourth. Seems to be shifting pretty nicely, doesn't it, Thomas? Mm-hmm. We've gone a half mile so far, no problems. Are we recording? Mm-hmm. All right, so we had gone a half a mile, and then we realized the video wasn't recording, so we're at 7/10 of a mile now. No problems yet. Okay, so now we're fixing to get on busier streets. So far, it seems to be shifting pretty darn good. I think it's shifting better than it did before. At least that's the hope. Okay. Here we go. A little bit faster now. The engine's running great. Getting up to close to 40 miles an hour now. So that should be fourth gear. Yep, we're in fourth. Come to a stoplight. We've gone a mile. The last time, or the first time that I drove the car, I did the exact same pattern on the streets, and right here is where it messed up, at 1.2 miles. After receiving the repaired, quote-unquote, repaired module from the repair place, this is where it messed up. So let me get on here, see if it messes up now. I don't know, it's shifting pretty nice. still haven't gotten to fifth gear yet. We haven't gone fast enough. Fourth is as high as we seem to have gotten. Okay, now I'm going to give it a little hell when I change streets here. See how it shifts with some power to it. Okay, we're up to 50. Still in fourth gear. No engine light, no AT light. So far, so good. Well, the one thing we can conclude so far is at least I didn't destroy the computer module, because I did put a lot of heat to it to reflow those solder joints. Could have knocked out a component or caused the solder to migrate and short. Apparently I didn't do that, but I'm still not convinced we're fixed. I'm gonna have to get on highway speeds, and even then there's no guarantee, because after replacing the pressure switch I went on the highway and it worked fine. One thing about that though was it was at night, so it was cooler temperatures. Right now it's kind of warm. Outside temperature is almost 90 degrees. So that's pretty warm. If a computer is going to screw up, it's going to do it in heat, not so much in cold, I would think. But right now hopes are high because no problems, and it's hot outside. As I recall, it was about this temperature when I got the computer back that first day and drove it, and it screwed up. So looking good so far. Is there a way to pause that video? Okay, so we paused the video to get off of the side streets. I'm on an access road to a freeway now, so we're going to get up to 70 and see how it does. I'll roll this window because we're going to have a lot of noise. Approaching the on-ramp. Looks like traffic's flowing pretty good, so we should be able to get up to 70. Going 6 miles so far. Okay, it downshifted. And it shifted. I think we're in fourth. We're up to 70. And now we're in fifth. No, we're still in fourth. That's weird. But I thought we'd be in fifth by now. Oh, it's downshifting. Oh, okay. When I put it in manual, it downshifts. Okay, I didn't realize that. So we are in fifth gear. And it's no errors, no AT light, and it's shifting quite nicely, very smoothly. I think it's doing much better than it did before. More importantly, no errors so far. So I'm going to bump it up to 80. Okay, now we're in fourth gear now, downshifted. Okay, we're at 80 now. Alright, here's my exit. I have to exit because I don't want to go too far from the house in case we break down. So I'll do a U-turn and get back on the freeway again, and we'll give it some more hell. See if it's going to screw up. Okay, car is downshifting. I can feel the downshifts. It seems normal. Lots of traffic for a Saturday. Here we go. Back on the highway. 60, 65, got a merge, no errors yet. $70, downshifted again, that's normal. 80, 85, and traffic. Coasting down to 80, 75, 70. No errors. We are now off exiting the freeway. No problems. It's been shifting up and shifting down just fine. We're going to go ahead and pause, Thomas. Pause the video. Okay, so we paused the video again because it was side streets. We're pulling into the driveway to finish our journey here. And we've traveled 14 miles, almost exactly, 13.9 miles. And no problems whatsoever that I could tell. No engine light, no AT light. So I'm very hopeful that that fixed it. I will continue to drive the car everywhere I go. I'll keep an eye on these lights, and I'll give a report in a few weeks and give everybody an update to see if the problems come back or not. But confidence is high. It feels really good, like this may be fixed. All right, that's it.